I'm gonna try short 50 shares on Dollar Tree. Dow had a day. Going along 100 AMBA. Paying attention to Dollar Tree. Seconds. AMBA is not working. Looking for it to hold 200 here. Might have to jump out of that one. Dollar Tree's coming back. I'm gonna stay patient with this one for a little bit longer. AMBA almost stopped me out here. Still holding it. It's coming back up. Dollar Tree, not real sure about this one. Still holding it, looking for this to collapse. Okay, so we're green a little bit here on AMBA. Not sure if it's going to continue. Might be getting out here pretty soon for small loss or even. Dollar Tree trying to come back, but looks like it's could continue up. Just going to stay patient with these two trades. AMBA. Looking for it to come back to VWAP here for a 60-cent profit, 60 bucks. Okay, so here comes AMBA, about 20 cents from my target. Trying to come out of AMBA. Market's yanking, just looking for 20 more cents here to VWAP. Let's go.
Perfect.
AMBA, 10 cents from my target. Let's go. There we go. AMBA's at my target. Gonna hold it for just a second longer, see if it can push through. Pushing through, breaking opening range. AMBA, give me a push. There we go. There you go, AMBA, moving higher. Let's go. There's a new lows on the market. S&P, Nasdaq still fighting to stay up. All right, I'm out of AMBA. Oh, I didn't get out. What the F? Come on. Oh, it's... Well, luckily I didn't get out of my AMBA. It's going up further. Now I'm out. So it's almost 11. Got out of AMBA. Could have bought it back over here. It's pushing up nice. Didn't get any of it. Dollar Tree still just sideways, still sitting in it. Down a couple bucks. Getting ready to start the 11 o'clock session. We'll see what happens. All right, so the DLTR is not working. Down $2. Looking for a rejection here at resistance. I might add to it. Looking for a pullback to VWAP, break even, get out. If it continues over 98.50, I'm gonna dump it. It's gonna be a $120 loss. Not a big deal. Win some, you lose some. Keep an eye on it. All right, so this is it. I added at this rejection of resistance. The markets are making new lows. Here it comes back to me. Obviously, if it moves up, I'm just going to have to dump it and take my loss. But looking for this to come down, I now have a 97.22 average. So looking for VWAP here to get out with a small loss. Just trying to manage this trade. Okay, so I went short 100 square at 74.50. Let me pull that chart up. Markets are dumping. So shorted square off this resistance when the market started pulling, and so looking for this to come break the low. Getting ready to get out of Dollar Tree. It's just not working. I added. I'm not going to let it take any more from me. Getting ready to get out of it. It's not working. Yeah, it's not working. Alright, I jumped out of Dollar Tree there when it broke above the 32. Didn't let it take me down any further after adding. And I went long on it. Obviously the short's not working, so I'm going long. It might have some trouble up here, so again, just going to keep a close eye on that one. Square is going against me. Going to give it a minute and see if the market rejects and comes back down. Might take a small L on that one. Added here to my square at VWAP. Markets are looking like they're going to pull. So looking for this to come down. Here it comes. Not going to let it take any more from me. If it pushes back up here, I'll jump out. Alright, square's coming back. Down 15 cents. Markets are pulling. So I'm going to sit in this for a minute. Might even be able to turn a small profit on this trade. This trade adding up there at that resistance at VWAP is working out. It's coming back. Markets are yanking. Square should follow. Markets are coming down. Down 3 cents on square. Even. Can we get square to drop 30 cents for me? No? Okay. I got patience. Got 1 cent on square. Dollar Tree is making a move up. Roku's coming down. Robert, still short. Nice. Markets are gonna try and push back up. Dollar Tree's taking off here. Looking for it to go hit $100. All right, Dollar Tree pop. Looks like it made a new high today. Yes. So I'm looking for this to come up 100, hit 100. Square got me even there for a second. Got greedy, didn't take it. I'm being patient with it though. Markets look like they're gonna pull. If it shows me even again, I'm gonna take it off. I'm not gonna be greedy. Dollar Tree's working. Square's coming back. Markets are coming down. Down 5 cents. Looking to get out even on the square trade. Taking a partial off of square here. Minus $9. Square's back at my entry. I'd like for it to drop. I'm all out of square. Minus $11. Markets look like they're gonna bottom out. My Dollar Tree should keep pushing up. So here goes square. I'd be up 18 cent, $40. Just ran out of patience with it. The markets looked like they were bottoming out. DLTR's pulling back a little. I'm okay with that. Might get long on square if I play this bounce. Got long on square for a second here, see if we can get a bounce. Might not work out. Blake, we're here usually around 7:30, 8 o'clock Eastern. All right. Square's trying to push up. I'm gonna try and be patient with it for a minute. I mean, the market looks heavy though. Green. Is that all you're gonna give me? That's not even gonna cover commissions. Let's go. Push up. I'm not really trusting a bottom on the markets right now. I think I'm just gonna take this small profit off the table. I'm out. Alright, Dollar Tree made a new high day, it's pushing up. I got an order to sell partial at 99.50, 15 cents from Target. Dollar Tree popped new high day. Came within 6 cents of my sell order. Alright, there it is. We hit my target. There it went. I'm out. Still holding 80 shares long, locked in $100. Alright, so Dollar Tree. My last 80 shares is this thing ripped. It broke 100. We're pushing up. I'm just going to keep holding it and be patient. Dollar Tree broke, made another high day. It's testing 150 now. Up 135 bucks on my last 80 shares. Locked in 95 on the 120. Up 170 on the day. Wiped out my loss from earlier. I intend on holding this for another hour. I'd like to see it go up another dollar or two. I mean, that would be great. There it is, new high day, breaking 150. We'll check back in a minute. So Dollar Tree making another high day here, going for 101. Still holding my 80 shares, up 200 on the day. All right, Dollar Tree, another new high a day, and just made another new high a day, testing 101. And so I bought another 100 shares on this pullback. So I bought 100 shares here, I bought another 100 shares here, I sold 120 shares here, and I'm still sitting on my last 80. Dollar Tree looks like it wants to make another high day. I'm thinking it's going to go test the pre-market high of 102. Still planning on selling it at 3 o'clock. I'm not going to hold it overnight. 45 minutes to go. I made almost twice as much money on my partial as I did on the 120 that I sold. Kind of regretting selling it a little bit. 230. Dollar Tree gave a little double top up here, pulled back. It's holding this 2 o'clock range, so I'm still long. I believe if it breaks down below 130 cents, I'll take it off. All right, so DLTR. I took a look at the daily chart, and it gapped down last year in March and had a pop to close the gap before moving further down. It had a high of 101.64, so I put an order to sell my remaining shares at 101.55 just in case we get a quick move up here. I'm going to sell it in about 20 minutes. I mean, it's really starting to look like it wants to come down. So I'm ready to come out, but I just want to put an order just in case we get a quick rip going into the end of the day here. But we'll check back in a few minutes, and I'll let you know when I lock it in. Okay, of course, only a few minutes here. It came down and tapped that 30-cent mark. That's my threshold right there. So I'm ready to jump out of this thing if it gives it up. Still have about 16 minutes before I intended on selling it anyway. Just want to get out before the 3 o'clock. Typically these things run down at 3 o'clock, people taking profit, getting out. It bounced right off of it though, so still sitting in it. Alright, 8 minutes. I don't like this at all. If this doesn't bounce up, I'm getting out right now. I'm out. No, I'm not. What the F? Try again. Alright. I'll stay in it then if you're gonna bounce. Okay. Alright. That was a sign. I tried to get out. It wouldn't let me. It was a sign. Alright, if I see 64 print over here, I'm gonna get out. And I'm not gonna trust my hotkey since it didn't work. I'm out. Of course it jumps 10 cents after I get out. That's okay, locked in $245 on that trade. Had a $118 loser on it today though. That was not the greatest. $184 on the day, not bad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Join us in the Discord. We're in here every morning about 7:30, 8 o'clock, going over the pre-market. If you enjoy the video, click subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next one.